Meaning of garbanzo bean.
Garbanzo bean.
Garbanzo bean.
Garbanzo bean.
Garbanzo bean. Garbanzo bean is a type of legume that is also known as chickpea. It is a popular ingredient in many cuisines, particularly in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern dishes. Garbanzo beans are high in protein, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals, making them a great addition to a healthy diet. They are often used to make hummus, salads, stews, and soups. In addition to their nutritional benefits, garbanzo beans have been linked to potential health benefits, such as improved digestion, lower blood sugar levels, and reduced risk of heart disease.